Are you looking for powerhouse performance to handle your most demanding tasks? At its core is the Intel Core i9 14th Gen processor. With up to 24 cores and 32 threads, it ensures blistering speeds for multitasking and heavy workloads, ideal for rendering, simulations, and resource-intensive applications. Whether you're a 3D artist, video editor, or data scientist, the Core i9 workstation has the power to handle it all. Render complex animations, edit 8K video, or crunch massive data sets faster than ever before. With 4 terabytes NVMe storage and ultra-fast 10G LAN connectivity, you can access and transfer large files seamlessly. The liquid cooling ensures peak performance without overheating, even during the most intense tasks.